to PPT Genix. So today we are going to learn how to create a similar picture in which fantasy meets tech. Alright, so let's begin. Okay, so for that basically we need two pictures. One picture is for a camera and then another a landscape. Alright, so let's begin. So here first of all let's start with the camera. So I'm going to remove the background for this camera. It's a normal Canon DSLR that I have taken from the Google Images. So let's select the area which we want to keep. Alright, so mark area here. Alright, so here also. Perfect. Now let's mark this area and this area. Okay, now keep changes. Now in the next step we are going to insert the shape, that is the oval shape. Okay, so by pressing the shift key I am going to make a circle. So let's bring it here. Alright, now first of all I'm going to select the camera. Now I'm going to select the circle. Now in the next step I will go to the shape format tab, and in the shape format tab in the merge shapes option I'm going to select the subtract. Okay, so basically we get this kind of image. Alright, perfect. Now let's go to this part. So let's duplicate this slide by pressing the Ctrl D. Okay, because we are going to use the same image twice. So now first of all let's remove the background. Okay, fine, that's it. And let's change the size of the frame. Alright, okay, now let's mark the area which we want to remove. So like this I am going to mark the area. Alright, perfect. Keep changes over here and then increase its size like this. Alright, perfect. Now in the next step I'm going to take this camera from here. So let's select this camera, press Ctrl C and now bring it here by pressing the Ctrl V image. So we have pasted this image. Now I am going to reduce its size like this. I guess it's perfect, or maybe a little bit more. Alright, this is more better. Now in the next step I will send it backward. This image I'm going to copy it, okay, and I am going to place it over here by pressing the Ctrl V. Now in the next step I'm going to send it backwards and shift it in such a way so that it seems to be in the perfect place like this. Alright, perfect. Now let's send it backwards. Now I'm going to crop this image like this, and here let's crop it to here, and let's press crop button. Perfect. Now let's do one more thing. Okay, now I'm going to use this image and I'm going to crop it. Okay, and I'm going to crop it till this part. Okay, and crop. Now in the next step I am going to copy this image. Why? So that this image is on my clipboard. Now I will go to my slide, that is slide number 3, and I will go to the design option. I'll go to the format background option, and in the picture fill I'm going to select the clipboard. Alright, perfect. So let's have a final preview for this image. looking very beautiful.